Today on the show, we're going to show you how to fix this and make it work correctly.
Hey, have you ever had a lift gate that won't open or won't stay open scenario? The latch seems to be working, but it won't stay up. Power, force it up like it used to. It's a pretty simple repair. All you're gonna need is a small flathead screwdriver, a new set of shocks. We're gonna show you how to get this lift gate or tailgate work again and stay open. Well, this video will cover several makes and models, including Dodge Grand Caravan, Chrysler Town & Country, GMC Yukon, Chevy Tahoe, just about anything with an electric tailgate. Will also help you even if it's not electric and it just won't stay open. No, I'm not worried about my license plate being shown in here. I don't really know for certain why anybody would want to find me. I mean, can't they get my license plate driving down the road? Don't know why people, when they're selling automobiles, sit there and put their hand in front of it, cross it out. Seems kind of silly to me. Walk out into the street and get anybody's that you wanted anytime you wanted. Anyways, enough with this blam blam stuff. Back to this video. Oh, here's what happens. Starts to go up and then goes right back down. If it wasn't electrical, you would just automatically assume the shocks were bad. Because it's electrical, that it might be the motor inside there. Not 999 times out of 1,000, just gonna be the shocks. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to replace that lift gate, tailgate shocks, make it function correctly. Needed this for the algorithm. It's up on voice tracks. This is where it's kind of a pain in the butt. To hold the camera, pop open the door, change the shocks at the same time.
This job is going to be so much simpler if you have one of these fine, young, strapping young men to help you out. But if you don't, if when you go to raise it, it keeps closing on you, just hold it steadily and firmly and then prop it up with something.
A pogo stick. Everybody has a pogo stick. You can just use a piece of wood. All that's happened is these shocks just given way over the years. Held on by these little clips right here. One on each end. Basically, we're going to take our screwdriver, pop them clips out of there. This GMC Yukon Chevy Tahoe, we're using a 611395. And you're going to notice that the little clips are buried inside there. Just tell you from experience, these clips go flying. You don't have to do anything with the brand new ones. You definitely don't have to worry about the clips on the old ones. Just want to make sure that the orientation is the same. Shock is up here, not down here. Use a pick tool, you can use a screwdriver, you can use whatever you want. I try to save these little clips if I can, but you don't have to worry about that. I need extra because sometimes I'm taking them off of junk cars. Put that back in there if I just needed to remove that. Both ends without worrying about the shock falling off because it's still a ball in the socket. If you wanted to just keep that clip, you can pull it out like that so it's not around the socket. Now we can take a flathead screwdriver, pop this away. You don't have one of them fine women's or fine young viril's men's to help you out holding this thing up and down. Screwdriver. Much easier when you have an extra hand. Just take our flathead screwdriver and you can usually pop this right out. Hopefully the door doesn't fall on you. Make sure you have it secured pretty well because these doors are heavy and this will hurt. Procedure literally will take 2 to 3 minutes. You have somebody helping you. Much simpler to line everything up with an extra hand.
I was doing this by myself before I went and got Cameron, and it dropped down onto there, so be very careful.
Down on the pogo stick a little bit. With a helper, easier. Should pop right off like that when you have somebody helping you. You should be able to pull it out right like that. Your new one, just be able to pop these into place. You don't have to do anything there. Make sure you push down on that little clip. Move that where it needs to be. Raise it up into place. Okay, right there. Should be able to push that right on there. Want to take them off. All they should do is just pop right off like that. If it doesn't come off super easy, it's because you don't have the clip removed or there's pressure on it. So have your helper move the lift gate up or down, whatever is necessary. Once again, should be able to just push it into place. Make sure your little clip gets pushed down in it. If necessary, raise up, Cameron. Get into there. Let it go, Cameron. Should stay up. When you fixed it properly, will come open and work like new. Sometimes these only need one, like this one might have only needed one. I can barely push that down. This one, no corto. Nice. Remember, life is not only about the legacy you live, It's the one you lead others to follow. No matter what it is in life you think you can or cannot do, anyone else can do it. I promise, you can do it too. Got a question for me? You can hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair on the Facebook Messenger. Can't help you with that baby mama drama. I may be able to help you fix that whip. If I can give it, advice is always free. Don't collect information, don't share information, just want to help you. Don't be the next to them, be the first to you. God bless, folks. Have the absolute best of days.